you know? It does a pretty good job. Hey guys, today's Dale's Tool of the Day video is on this belt sander. It's a Skill brand.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's Tool of the Day.
So, good old Skill, you know. Everybody calls a circular saw a skill saw.
Nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills.
Apparently they're pretty good back in the day. Nowadays you don't hear a whole lot about Skill. It's maybe not the top tier, but I've had this thing forever. And let me tell you what, you put a pretty fine belt on here, it'll sharpen chisels really well. And it'll sharpen your pocket knife and your wife's kitchen knives really well. This thing has sharpened many a knife because I've had this thing forever, and honestly, for the most part, that's what I've used it for. It's got a little fence that can go on here for like riding it against, but I really don't use that a lot. I kind of just you know. It does a pretty good job, and it's also got the 6-inch little drum sander, disc sander thingy, and this one's a little straighter than the one on my other one, but it's not perfect. You can see that it wears more on one side than the other. That's kind of my problem with these little things, is they tend to not be the straightest. Granted, these aren't like the highest dollar things ever, but it's been handy. It's pretty cool, and you can adjust this fence all sorts of different angles and whatnot, and it's got a little slidey majigger, so you can use your little T-slot miter, you know, if you need to. I don't really use it for that a whole lot, but it is an option. So this has been a really handy tool. I've had this thing for years and years and years, and it is ran, and I've probably got so much dust in the motor. In fact, when I moved it over here, I hit it with an air blower, and man, it was like I couldn't see for a bit. It was so full of sawdust from over the years. Probably not good grinding a bunch of metal with a bunch of wood sawdust in this thing. Something to think about. But you know, it's got the adjustment for the tracking, and it's really convenient. It's spring loaded, so you just change belts super easy. With this cool cabinet I made, you got all the drawers for the cool belts and the little parts and pieces to hold it all together. However they go. Yeah. This thing's pretty neat. If you haven't seen this thing, I got a video on how I built this thing. It's my rotary 8-station rotary tool table. I think it's pretty cool. Well, I appreciate you guys. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.